Hi everyone, and welcome back to Purely Mixed. I'm your host Brianna, and today is another edition of the Allure Beauty Box. Today we are going to be going through this today. I'm not going to do a full video. Well, I'm doing a full video, but I'm trying to make sure I only use the products in this. I don't know, honest opinions, I feel like Allure boxes are like not getting worse, but I feel like they're giving us less stuff and less good stuff over time. Or maybe it's just me and I want more makeup and they're giving more skincare, something like that. But that's how I feel about it right now. But this is this is March's box, but we're posting it in April because that's what I did. So taking a look in the little pamphlet, what do we have to work with? So opening it up, it's my first time opening it up. I've only looked at the pamphlet once. We have a lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter from Dr. Botanicals Apothecary Natural Collection. Cute little box like that. I guess it's for multi-use, so I guess you can use it on your elbows, any place that gets like ashy, I guess. All right, could use that. And we also have from the Ritual of, about to butcher this name, The Ritual of Ayurveda, The Ancient Art of Living Wisely. And it's a harmonizing foaming shower gel. Ooh, it's got Indian rose and sweet almond oil in it. But yeah, that's that. And then we have a mascara from a company called Rodial, R-O-D-I-A-L. Glamo Lash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume. And then we have the Mamonde, there's an E at the end, Red Energy Recovery Serum Blossoming Energy. That's what it looks like. It's a little sample size. Ooh, I've gotten one of these before. It's a Floss, my new favorite lip gloss by Floss. The little case it comes in, and I love this because I think that was one of my first boxes I got a Floss lip gloss. See, this is the one. I've used this one a lot. I usually use it with my brown liner looks or like my nude looks, and I've only used that much. And I got this months ago. Lasts a long time. See, this is a different shade. Ooh, it's a different shade. Okay, it's more of like a muted grayish pink compared to this one was more of like a little bit more clear comparatively. So this one has more color in it. And then last thing in the box is a ceramide firming face mask. Love a good face mask. So we're gonna be using the beauty looks today as per usual. And any parts that aren't from the box, I'm just gonna do off camera and then come back to you guys. So it looks like I'm literally gonna be coming back to you guys for the lip gloss and the mascara. So I'm gonna go do my face and then I will be right back with you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back. I did a whole beat. I use this new palette on my eyes. It's called Grand Feet, I think. Royal Collection by KCAI. That's what the palette looks like. And yeah, I just found it at Target on clearance and I just picked it up and this is what it did to my eyes. I really like this green. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what I did. And I came back so I can show you guys the mascara from the box. Putting that on now. Ooh, first thing I noticed is that it's not clumpy at all. It like automatically like clung to my lashes. Wow, that's a huge difference. Dang, okay. So volume without the clumpiness. I like it. It's like the perfect type of formula. It's like creamy, not too watery. But I hate when it's too dry. This is seriously like not clumping at all. It's so weird. It's not flaking, so that's good. It's a really nice like everyday mascara. Okay, I like that. That's definitely being added to the collection. And then for lips, I'm gonna take this, what is it, Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in Rich Chocolate. All right, and then we're gonna try the gloss from Floss, and I think it's LAX. It's in the color LAX. There we go. Ooh. It's a bit on the pinker, lighter side for me. I think in general I like it. Let me get a brush. Got this lip brush. I'm gonna blend it out. That looks better. That looks really nice. So yeah, there you have it. This is the final look from my Allure box. Again, there's only 2 makeup products I was able to use, but I like both of them and they're definitely being added to the collection, and they're really good full-size ones. So I'll definitely get a lot of use out of them. I don't know if I'm gonna continue doing Allure box series. We'll see. It's just because it seems like I keep getting less stuff I can use in them, and it's just a lot. Like I feel like I'm paying $16 and then I get like 2 products, which is like not bad at all, but I could be using that money to get more, like save up to get more full-size products of different things. If that makes sense. But we'll see. If you guys like it, just let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.